Welcome, everyone, to a journey into setting up Instagram direct message automation. Imagine effortlessly turning incoming messages into valuable leads. Today, we'll explore how you can do just that using the magic of automation. Picture this: you've asked your followers to DM you the word workshop to gain access to your webinar. After someone sends you this keyword, they will receive an automatic response. But how does it work? Let's dive into a ready-made automation template that will help you get started. When a follower sends a keyword, an immediate reply message is sent in response. Now, let's delve into the trigger settings. In the trigger settings, the option message contains is already pre-selected, which means that if the follower's message contains the word workshop, the trigger will activate. Let me explain the other options available to trigger automated responses. Messages is very strict option. Only an exact match of the keyword will trigger the automated message. Additional words, letters, or symbols will not activate the reply. Message contains option is more flexible. It allows the bot to recognize the keyword within a sentence. For example, if the keyword is set to hello and a contact message is hello, please send me further info, the automated message will be triggered. Message contains whole word. This option lets you stay in the same context with the follower. If the keyword like is created within this option and a contact message's dislike, the reply message will not be triggered. Message begins with is a clever way to automate common questions. The keyword must be placed at the beginning of the follower's message for the automated message to be triggered. For example, if somebody types, "Can you," at the start of a sentence, an automatic reply will be sent. Message doesn't contain. This option allows you to exclude messages with specific keywords. The automated reply will not be triggered if a message contains any of these excluded keywords. In ManyChat, you can create keywords with multiple conditions. For instance, if you want to trigger a reply message not only by using specific keywords, but also when a sentence starts with "can you," you can easily add this condition. Don't forget to click the Save button once you've finished configuring the trigger. Now, let's talk about the reply message your followers will receive when they send a keyword. It's all about making it personal. You can customize the text however you want. Use variables like first name to make it feel more human. Click the button to change a link, and get creative with content blocks like delays, images, audio, or galleries. However, we recommend being careful and avoiding overloading message blocks to prevent overwhelming the follower. Once you're finished creating your automation, it's time to give it a try and see how your followers will experience it. Simply click Preview to see how the automation looks for your followers. You can also preview it directly on Instagram by following some easy instructions. When you're ready to launch your automation, click Set Live. Your automation is now live, ready to assist your followers. Let's see how it works. When your follower messages you workshop, they will immediately receive a response with a link to sign up for the webinar. If you need to stop the automation, a simple toggle switch does the trick. And if you want to see how your followers are engaging with your campaign, head over to the automation section for stats like the number of runs and conversion rate. That's it. You've unlocked the power of automated direct messages using keywords in ManyChat. Get ready to boost your efficiency and engage with your audience like never before. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!